Okay, you all, so I'm in the cute little city of Bell Buckle in Tennessee. The cutest little town. I'm here, y'all know, for a travel ball game. But it's drizzling, it's raining, and so I needed to go use the bathroom. I've been out all day in this weather, y'all. I've been traveling. I've been here and there and everywhere. Y'all travel ball moms know how it is. And so I was like, I'm going to take a little break, a pause for the cause, and go get me a nice coffee and a nice clean bathroom that's not a porta potty. And so I happened onto this little cute town that's near Webb School, the Webb School, which in itself is such a cute campus. And so I thought that I would do a little vlogging so that you all can explore with me too, because I love to explore. I probably should be on that baseball field, but you know, your girl had to go get a cup of coffee. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, is this not the cutest little shop? What? Do you want something? Right. Mariana, welcome to the country where you get to have your dinner at the diner and get your gas station breakfast and get you some gas all in the same location. That's how we do it in the South, in the country. Mariana said it's giving real young Sheldon vibes. I don't know. What do y'all think? What do you think, Austin? Is it giving young Sheldon vibes?
What, this place?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Mariana said it's giving young Sheldon vibes. Oh, look at the nutritiousness. We got a honey bun, jumbo size,
Peak athlete.
and a peak athlete, and we got some Rain Total Body Feel Rainbow Sherbet. What is this? BCA aminos.
If you want to play
This is garbage.
If you want to play
This
at
is
peak,
like this. Prime athletes don't put this kind of trash in their body.
Yes. Talk to all the greats, Aaron Judge.
All the greats.
Honey bun and
honey bun and an energy drink. Energy drinks are terrible. How often do we have this conversation?
Okay, but how often do I have energy drinks? I didn't have one. I haven't had one in 2 months.
All right, so where are we going? You put it in your GPS. Let's get going.
Here, let me connect.
Any and everywhere. So now we got to drive a whole hour back to where we came from towards Nashville to play, because we are, you know, chasing storms around here, trying to avoid rain. You all know how it is. Travel ball moms, you already know, right? So frustrating, you all, because we've been here, there, and everywhere, right, Austin?
Yeah. We've been all
so
over.
I'm like, we
Ready
probably
to go
gonna
home.
we ready to go home, but I see us booking another hotel for another night, because
I'm fine. I'd rather drive home.
you rather drive home.
Yeah.
Me too. Okay,
I'm
let's
fine
go.
with driving home.
We get homesick. Austin and I, we don't really like staying in hotels. I think we have like I don't know, like we bring our Lysol, our own blankets, Clorox wipes. I have this thing, like I just get the EBGBs It doesn't matter how nice the hotel is. It doesn't matter if it's 5 stars, 4 stars. Is anybody else like that? So after like a day, I'm like, I want my own shower. Like, I'm bleaching everything. I'm going to the Target. I'm bringing my own cleaning. Anybody else like that? I'm bringing my own pillow. I'm anointing the room. Last night, Mariana was like, the lights were flickering, and I was like, wait a minute, did I pray over this room? Because y'all already know. I said, did I anoint this room before I came up in here? So I was doing some praying.
Head northwest toward Webb Road West.
And everything was well, but ain't nothing like your own bed, right? So me and Austin, like, we driving back. What we listen to? What this is? We got us some jams. Let's see what's on Austin's playlist. Why does it keep cutting off? Let's see.
It's because I'm connected to my beats.
Oh, you're gonna have to disconnect something.
Head northwest toward Webb Road West.
So the nice thing is Austin is driving. He's been driving everywhere. He's been a little daddy, a little chauffeur. And he's allowed me to be the passenger princess because I do that best. I co-pilot best.
I'm going to turn off my phone, so my phone's going to stay on. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know. All right. Let's see what we got going.
Okay. It's on.
Head northwest toward Webb Road West.
You want me to hold it? Maybe if I hold it.
No, I think it's because it
Keeps disconnecting?
Yeah, it does keep disconnecting. You got a bad charger?
You want to use my charger?
No, it's good.
Head northwest toward Webb Road West.
I'll hold it.
No, it's okay. Here, just let it. Alright, there. We're fine. It's good.
Head northwest toward Webb Road West.
Alright, so we listening to All Stars.
Head southeast toward Bridge Street. Turn left onto Bridge Street, then turn left onto Bell Buckle War
I'll
Trace
see y'all in a
Road.
bit. I hope y'all enjoy.
Turn left onto Bell Buckle War Trace Road.
Uh-oh, you got it? We good?
Turn it down?
Just a little bit.
I don't know why it's
It won't even turn.
There it is.
There we go. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoy the vlog. Do not
Turn left
forget
onto Main Street.
to subscribe, share, and like. You all help the channel grow. And tell me if you like more content. I try to show y'all
In a quarter
everyday
mile,
life too.
turn left to stay on
Yeah,
Main
maybe-
Street.
It's okay.
I'll mute it. I don't like driving with it on.
With it
anyway.
on.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, I hope that y'all enjoy everyday vlogs. I love to give you just a little piece of my life. I
In
think it's
1,000
important that
feet,
people
turn left to
see
stay on Main
that
Street.
yes, you can be a woman of God, a child of God, and still have fun and enjoy life and see what that looks like. So you stop putting people on pedestals, but also you understand that we all just trying to do our thing, right? Right? All right, guys. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, and share. All right, let's get into the vlog. Okay, so I was riding by and I saw this beautiful house full of flowers, and the garden was extraordinary. In this house, y'all, it looked like it was so whimsical and it looked like something out of a fairy tale. So, you know, your girl had to pull over and stop, and Mariano obliged me. And so I just wanted to go and walk and take a closer look at this fantastic house. I mean, if anybody can tell me any history about it, I've got to do my due diligence and do some research, because a house this fabulous has got to have a story, right? Every beautiful home and garden has a story, and just look at how extraordinary. I mean, I could just go and just, you know, feel like Alice in Wonderland and just plop right in their garden and take a little vlog. But I won't do that. I'll be respectful. I mean, I'm not going to lie. It kind of gives you like creepy dollhouse vibes. But I don't know. It just feels so sweet. I mean, the energy here feels sweet. So I know it's not like creepy. But it does give you Alice in Wonderland vibes, you know? Okay, you all, this house is what garden dreams are made of. It's super beautiful. I had to stop. I am in Buckle Bell, Tennessee. It's right here near Webb School, and it's gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. So beautiful. This is just, what a gardener's dreams are made of. And I don't know who lives here, but I am so tempted to just go knock on the door. But yeah, I don't know. What do y'all think? Should we go knock on the door and see who lives in this fantastic house? I feel like you all are like, no, don't do it. It could be another episode of Get Out. We saw this lovely little black woman walking in the neighborhood, and she was by the house, that house with all the lovely flowers and garden, and she went in and, we didn't see her again. So yeah, I didn't do it, but I was tempted.